I'm about to show you how I converted $100 gift card into Naira step by step using my phone. No guesswork, no theory, just the real process. And yes, I'll show you the actual transaction. A lot of people hear about gift card trading, but they don't really understand how to actually turn it into cash in their bank account. So in this video, I will walk you through everything from having the card to getting paid in Naira. Let's assume you already have a $100 Apple gift card. This could be from someone abroad, a client, or any legit source. Next thing to do is to log in into the platform that you want to use for the trading process. I will reveal the name of the platform that I personally use at the end of this video. Now, I look for a buyer who accepts Apple gift cards. This part is very important. You want someone with good ratings, completed trades, and a fair rate. Don't just rush for the highest rate. Remember, safety first. Once I find a trusted buyer, I open the trade and follow the instructions. This is where the platform holds the transaction in escrow to protect both sides. Let me show you exactly how this works in real time. As you can see, I'm submitting the Apple gift card. The buyer reviews it, then the card gets verified. This is the part where most people get nervous. But once it's confirmed valid, the buyer releases the payment. After the trade is completed, the money reflects in your wallet on the platform. From here, I can now convert and withdraw to my Nigerian bank account. You can either convert to Naira via P2P or withdrawal option, or you transfer directly to bank. This is how it becomes real cash you can spend. Now, this is the part many people don't understand. After you trade your gift card, the money doesn't come directly to your bank account yet. It usually comes into your wallet, most times as BTC. So what you need to do next is to convert this BTC into Naira. On the platform, you now open another trade, but this time you are the one selling. Remember, you are no longer selling a gift card. You are now selling the BTC in your wallet to a buyer who will pay you in Naira. So I look for buyers who pay in Naira, who have good ratings and have completed multiple trades. Always choose carefully. This part is very important. When I find a buyer, I open the trade and enter the amount I want to sell. The buyer will then send money directly into my Nigerian bank account. Once the buyer sends the Naira, I confirm the money has entered my bank account before I release the BTC. After confirming payment, I release the BTC from escrow, and that completes the transaction. As you can see, I open another trade, but this time as the seller, and I uploaded my account details. And after confirming that the money has entered my Nigeria bank account, I release the BTC in my wallet. This is how the money finally moves from gift card to BTC and then to Naira in your bank account. This step is very important. If you don't understand it properly, you can make mistakes. Never release your BTC until you have confirmed payment in your bank account. Let me be honest, this process looks simple, but if you don't understand it properly, you can lose money. You may encounter things like wrong buyer, invalid card, or rushing the trade. That's why I created my ebook, because I've broken down everything step by step. from how to identify valid gift cards, how to choose the right buyer, how to avoid scams, and how to consistently make profit. If you want to learn this the right way, check the link in the description or my bio. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you also have questions, drop them in the comments. I will reply.